this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to deposit Toncoin in your Telegram wallet. So we're going to open the Telegram wallet first. So here in our Telegram wallet, we're going to tap on Toncoin. And in our Toncoin, we're going to tap on Receive. And after clicking Receive, we have the QR code and the alphanumeric address. So we're going to tap on Copy Address. And right away, we're going to go to where we can have some Toncoin. You can do this in your Trust wallet or in your Tonkeeper. We're going to be using Tonkeeper. And here in the Tonkeeper wallet, we're going to tap on Toncoin. So here we're going to click on Send. Of course, you want to make sure that you have some Toncoin in your Ton wallet app. So we're going to click on Send. And we're going to paste the address that we have here. And it's optional to have your comment. So we've pasted the address. And we're going to click on Continue. And after clicking on Continue, you can put in the amount of Ton you would like to transfer from your Tonkeeper wallet app into your Toncoin Telegram wallet. So after doing this, you would have successfully deposited Toncoin in your Telegram wallet.